Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of January 2021 with me Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get into the reading, for more Twin Flame guidance and reading, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out any of my future updates. For 2021 Twin Flame and Soulmate prediction, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Cancer, so let's look at into your Soulmate and Twin Flame energy for January 2021. Cancer, please note that this is a collective and general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If the message does not resonate with you, Cancer, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, Cancer, please don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Alright, so let's look at into your person energy here, Cancer. A lot of cards are flying for you here, Cancer. Alright, so on this side will be your energy here, Cancer, and on this side will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa here. Now looking at the sign for you here, Cancer, I'm getting air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I'm getting a sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, as well as water sign Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart here. Now looking at your energy here, Cancer, I've got the Five of Pentacles, I've got the Six of Cups, and I've got the Death or the Rebirth card energy coming up here. So with this Five of Pentacles energy here, Cancer, I do feel like you at this point of time here is definitely really struggling without your person here, Cancer. I think both of you might have recently got into a separation. For some of you here, you were the one who actually initiated this separation here, Cancer. And I do feel like, especially with this holidays energy here, the Christmas and the New Year coming up here, you are currently feeling like you are alone, like a very strong being alone, lonely energy. That kind of energies I'm getting very strongly from you here, Cancer. So I feel like for some of you here, you might have been waiting to get a message from your person, or at least a Christmas wish, or like just at least a simple message that could come your way during the Christmas or even like during the New Year here, but you might have not gotten anything up until this particular point of time here, which is kind of like making you feeling sad, making you feeling like, okay, did I just waste all my time on this journey? Did I just waste all my time, like thinking and worrying, and like even at least you made an effort to communicate with them, you made an effort to reach out towards them here, or at least to wish to definitely give a little wish towards them here. So this is like kind of like really hurting you, and you are definitely feeling a very strong heartbroken energy that I've got here. So I feel like for some of you here, you also have already lost that holiday energy here. Like you kind of like even lost all hope, I would say here, moving forward into 2021, especially in the month of January 2021 here, Cancer, because you feel like there is no way your person is actually going to come back towards you, and there is no way your person is actually thinking about you here. Like I said, kind of like self-blaming energy, I would say here, a little bit of guilty energy, I would even say here. So you kind of like been thinking that, okay, there is just no point for me waiting anymore, and this is like you are grieving, or like even some of you here are mourning this energy here. Now I've got the Death or the Rebirth energy coming up here, and I've also got the Six of Cups coming up here as well. So if you have been doubting whether this is a twin flame or soulmate connection here, do not doubt. This is definitely a very strong divine soulmate connection between both of you here. And the moment that you have decided, or the moment that you have you are thinking that, okay, there is no point, or there is no way that my person is actually going to reach us out towards me here, this is when the Six of Cups energy is starting to come up with you here. The Six of Cups here is basically the return of someone from your past. So this is going to happen unexpectedly, or at least when you are least expecting it here. But with this death card and the rebirth card or the transformation card energy coming up here, you kind of like I said, you kind of like already not really thinking too much about the reconciliation, not really thinking too much about the reunion, the union, or like this whole connection here, because you're just feeling tired, you are feeling hurt. And this is when that you have decided to just put yourself first here with this death and transformation energy. You are definitely going to go through a massive transformation and a massive rebirth process here in the month of January 2021 here, Cancer. And I've also got the Page of Swords energy. So for some of you here, you might have decided to just focus on your school, to just focus on learning new things here. Some of you might even wanting to either getting admission into a new college, a new university, but main thing here is that you just have decided to focus the energy onto yourself very strongly here, Cancer. Now looking at your person here, I'm getting the 8 of Cups, I'm getting the Moon, and I'm getting the 2 of Pentacles coming up here. So the main thing that I'm getting here with this Moon energy, the upcoming full moon, which is going to be towards the end of this month, towards the end of December 2020 here, there's going to be a massive shift that is going to happen with your person here, Cancer, especially with this Moon energy here. At this point of time, with this 2 of Pentacles, I'm getting a little bit of imbalanced energy, especially when it comes into the emotion. I do feel like your person actually have been trying to weighing up the option, or like kind of like fighting the urge and thinking to themselves, should I text them, should I not text them, should I communicate with them, should I not communicate with them, like like trying to balance up themselves here, trying to weighing up the option. So to be honest here, I'm not sensing your person as in that they've already completely forgotten about you, or they just not communicating with you, or they do not want to send you any messages or reaches out towards you during this holiday season, because they completely have ignored you, and they basically completely do not think about you anymore. Like, I'm not getting that energy here. In fact, I do feel like they're actually also going through a massive emotional turmoil at this point of time with all this full moon energy, as well as mentally and emotionally they're not feeling too much in balance at this time here. So honestly, mentally and emotionally they're currently feeling a little bit imbalanced energy here, Cancer. Which is, then I've got the 8 of Cups coming up here. There is also a regret and guilty energy coming out from your person as well here. So for those of you who you might have the one who's actually initiated the breakup or the separation here, but your person is feeling the pain at this point of time here, Cancer. It's like they are thinking within themselves here, damn, I should have tried a little bit harder. Like those kind of thoughts are coming up from your person, because right after this separation between both of you here, they are definitely not feeling good at all here, Cancer. They are feeling a lot of imbalance energy, a lot of keep thinking about the past, reminiscing about the past here, coming up very strongly. But the main thing that I'm getting here is that regret. They're thinking to themselves that they should have at least tried a little bit harder to win you up, or at least try a little bit harder to make this relationship work. So this is something like a quite huge regret, I would say, here within themselves here, Cancer. And yeah, I've got the 5 of Swords coming up here, which is again feeling defeated. So at this point of time, they're definitely feeling defeated, and this feeling defeated and the guilty, the self-blaming energy is something that is kind of like making them quite imbalanced mentally and emotionally. They definitely want to come towards you. Look at this, I've got the 6 of Cups coming up twice. So yes, they definitely want to come back towards you here. The inner child is basically like telling them or urging them to go back towards you, to just like heal all this issue here and just reconcile with you here, because both of your soul recognize each other here, Cancer. They basically want to offer you a new committed relationship. They want to offer you a new beginning, like let's just restart something new here, let's just like start with a clean slate energy. So but at this point of time, they're feeling defeated, and some of them feel like, okay, this is just my fault, like how can Cancer will actually forgive me. So all those thoughts are currently going on in their mind here, Cancer. Now the advice that I've got for you here, I've got awareness and I've got abundance coming up here. Enjoy the bounty of life. Your supply is unlimited. Blessings are coming to you. with awareness coming up here, live in the moment, be conscious of your thought, look for sign and guidance. So I feel like some of you here, Cancer, you've been getting a lot of signs, synchronicities, messages from your dream as well here, Cancer, and this is time for you to look deep within yourself here, because this is the moment of transformation and rebirth within yourself here, Cancer. And this is why also you need to be conscious and be conscious about your thought. What kind of thought are actually that coming crossing your mind? Are you thinking about the negative thing, or are you feeding into a positive thing here? Because your thought is going to be manifested into the abundance of your life here, Cancer. Alright, so that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If the message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and bye-bye.